How do you create realistic scrolling in Adobe X prototypes? Imagine scrolling through a website or app that feels just like the real thing. That's what realistic scrolling in Adobe Experience Design, or Adobe X, can do for your prototypes. If you want your designs to mimic actual user interactions, understanding how to set up scrollable areas is key. First, start with your design. Make sure your content is on an artboard that's larger than the visible screen area. For vertical scrolling, your artboard should be taller than the device screen, and for horizontal scrolling, it should be wider. This extra size creates space for content to scroll through naturally. Next, select the objects or layers you want to be scrollable. In the right side panel, look for the option called Scroll Group. Choose this option and then pick the direction you want the scroll to happen in, vertical, horizontal, or both. When you do this, Adobe X automatically adjusts the visible area to match your artboard size, making it easy to preview. You can also tweak the size of the viewport, which is the visible part of your scroll group. Adjusting the height or width here controls how much content shows before scrolling begins. Adding padding inside the scroll group creates space around your content, making the scroll feel more natural and less cramped. For more complex designs, you can nest scroll groups inside each other. This allows you to create multiple independent scrolling sections within a single artboard, like a sidebar menu that scrolls separately from the main content. To see your scrolling in action, click the play button to open the prototype preview. Use your mouse wheel, trackpad, or click and drag to scroll through the content. On desktop and web previews, the scrolling behaves just like it does in real apps or websites. You can also combine scroll groups with other features like Auto-Animate, overlays, or component states. For example, you could animate elements as they come into view during scrolling, or keep a navigation bar fixed at the top while content scrolls underneath. Fine-tuning your scroll behavior is simple. Adjust the scroll speed or set specific offsets when linking to different scroll points. This makes your prototype feel smooth and lifelike. A helpful tip is to hint at horizontal scrolling by showing part of the next item or adding arrows. This encourages users to explore the content and makes your prototype more engaging. Keep your scrollable areas organized and avoid making them too wide or tall, which can make navigation tricky. Using scroll groups in Adobe X is a powerful way to simulate real scrolling behavior. It helps you test how users will experience your design and shows stakeholders a more accurate preview of the final product. With these steps, you can create prototypes that feel natural, helping everyone better understand your vision.